No, for real, okay? Bowling. Okay. Why don't you introduce this episode about bowling? Okay, tell us about bowling. What about bowling, baby? Tell us about bowling. I know, bowling, we're talking about bowling now. Okay. I love bowling and I want to make sure that Grania, she knows this game too, right? And you know, the more you expose your child to places for bowling, the more the child, he or she, they will know the game and how to play it. Okay, from an early age, it's all about exposure. And you as a parent have that responsibility to do so. Of course, you have to make sure that the environment is safe and controlled, and of course make sure that your kid is in good health. You know, entertainment always there. Having fun. Okay, so are you ready to play bowling? Lego. Okay, we bowling and then we go bowling again? Okay, have you seen? No. Okay, so do you know how to actually grab the bowling ball? Okay, remember the 3 fingers, right? Okay, so parents always make time for your child. Okay, and exactly, this is a great way to bond, right, Daniel? Yes, please. Please don't say boo boo. Okay, go. Oh my God! Please ignore that. Oh, Daniel, please. We did shishi. Are you kidding me, Dindu? Are you kidding me? Okay. So, guys, we're going to go for bowling, me and Danya. We just want to have fun, okay? Make time for your child. Create the best possible version of their childhood, okay? And it's not going to cost you that much, really. You just have to have that time for your child, because one of the best ways to bond is to go bowling together.
Wait, baby, wait. Okay, go. Yes.
tell me, how is the bowling now? You find it difficult or is it difficult? Yeah. What is this t-shirt that you're wearing? What is the t-shirt that you're wearing?
You bought it for me.
Daddy's girl? Are you daddy's girl? Okay, now I want you to show me.
Hello.
Yeah, let's show me, baby, show me. I'm sure she's gonna kill it. Oh man.
Let's try again.
Yeah, let me try again.